Notepad feature on Windows 10 can go missing at times because of new dates or any of the other reasons. Want to learn how to fix Notepad missing issue in Windows 10? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. The very first thing to do is you need to click on Type here to search option on the bottom, enter here Notepad and search for it. Since I have already installed it and it's present on my Windows 10, you can check it just like this. And if you do not have one, the thing that you need to do is you will have to install it from optional feature settings on your Windows PC. So here are the steps. Open settings on your Windows PC. For that, click on the start button, click on settings, click on apps, click on optional features below apps and features. Click on add a feature on the top. Search for Notepad here. As you do it, if you do not have it on your computer, you will get an option of install below. Since I have already installed it, I do not have an option of it. If you do have one, try clicking on install and let the Notepad to get installed. After installation, you can go back and check for the Notepad on the start menu. For that, you can again click on type here to search option and search for Notepad and then open it to see if it's working or not. So that's it. This is how you fix Notepad missing issue on Windows 10. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.